Hey my divas, welcome to my channel. Today is the big day, the giveaway winners announcement. So I have the participants and the entries in little pieces of paper in these two boxes because I didn't have anything else to put them in. So I said, why not? These are two nice black boxes by Cosilia. So let me use these. So first, I will be pulling the random winner for the US prize giveaway. So without further ado, let us go ahead and pull. Shake it up a little bit. Reach in. And what do we have here? Let's see. Who is the winner? Who is the winner? Who is the winner? We have Candy's Garden. Congratulations, Candy's Garden. All right, so what I will need you to do is email me at the email address below, nisi99@yahoo.com. It's in the description box. And if your account is not public, where I can see that I'm a subscriber, send me a screenshot of me or of your subscription to my channel so that I can verify that. And send me your mailing information so that I can get your gift out to you. So that's the first winner, Candy's Garden. And thank you all who entered. I really appreciate all of your support. If you don't win this time, don't worry. I will be having a lot of giveaways on this channel. There will be secret giveaways, surprise giveaways, giveaways when I reach certain milestones. There will be giveaways like if you comment the most on a video. It's just going to be a lot of stuff going on over here, and we're going to have a lot of fun over here, okay? So our international entry, let me shake it up a little bit. And let's see, who do we have here? Let's just pull out one of these names and put their other names back. Our international winner is Jashneet Kaur. All right, so Jashneet, I will need you to email me, please, a screenshot showing that you are subscribed to my channel, or if you are, I will check and see if you are a public subscriber. If your account is on public, I can see that you're subscribed. So I will need you to email me your email information so that I can email you your Amazon gift card. All right. And my email again is in the description box below. So like I said before, if you didn't win this time, no worries, because I got so much support. You all were so amazing. I really appreciate you subscribing to my channel, commenting. Just please continue doing that. Stick with me, and we're going to have some fun over here. It's not going to be all about nails. I tell you, I am already planning my next giveaway, and I would give you a sneak peek, but I don't want to spoil it. I might give you a sneak peek in one of the other videos, but we're going to have some beauty products in that one and some art products, because, you know, when you do things like with art and other hobbies, they go right along with the nail and beauty hobby. So again, our two winners, the US winner is Candy's Garden, and our international winner is Jashneet Kaur. So give me an email, shoot me an email, and I will get your gift processed and going. Again, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. please give this video a like, and the more likes, the more you communicate with me through the comments, the more I can do these giveaways so that we can hurry up and reach 1,000 subscribers so that we can do the community posts and that we can communicate more. Also, don't forget to go over to my Facebook group. That will be in the description below. Also, I have a Facebook group for this channel, and I will be sharing with you all of the deals and steals that I find, all of the goodies, and who knows, there may be some hints over there about a giveaway. We're just going to be doing it all up over here on Natural Niecy's Nails, okay? All right, everyone. So thank you for watching the channel. Please check out this next video right here so that you can see other reviews and tips, tricks, and hacks on how to keep your nails beautiful, my divas. All right, see you on the next episode. Stay beautiful.